bought a set of these things. Don't know if you've ever seen them. You put your egg in here and you get a boiled egg straight away. Well, not straight away. Why would I say straight away? There. How long it takes? 3 minutes, I presume. So yes, I can cook. I lived on my own for quite a while. I got married when I was 22. I left home when I was early. So I had quite a long time to live on my own and quite a long time to learn how to cooky things. I haven't cooked for a long time. I'm having an egg butty. Thickest bread you can find on the planet. Because I am not feeling too well. I think I got a kidney complaint, which is not nice for anybody. I'll be there now, just butter this. You count 3 minutes, have I? Got to remember to turn the cooker off. That's why she banned me from using a cooker, because I got a bad habit of forgetting to turn it off. That was flicking hot. I'll tell you why that was hot. The water get up in the top of there, or I don't know. Or is it just my egg hot? So let's open one and we'll give you a demo before we shut down. I know you don't want to see me eating like a piggy. Let's have a look what's in here. It's done, but it's fucking stuck in, Ella. Well, there you are. Can you see that? Look at that, I'm fucking like a professional, aren't I wouldn't rush out and buy them again. Maybe they are a different quality. These, England, £18. Chinaland, £5, free post. Max out of 10, I'm not that fucking impressed. I'm gonna fucking eat them, yeah, but I'm not sure. I think I read somewhere you're supposed to spray something in there first, a little bit of, probably a little bit of fat or something. Stop it sticking to the side. I don't know. I didn't read the fucking instructions, for fuck's sake. Right, I'm gonna eat this. The dog is gonna eat the crusts, and I'll see you later. I don't think they're fucking done. I don't think they're fucking done after all that shite. I don't think you can put them in a microwave. No, they're not done. You gotta let them bob, you can't let them sit on the bottom. There's my bubba, my bread and bubba. Well, that's 3 minutes now. And that's definitely not done. Plus, obviously, you mustn't have these touching the bottom. They gotta float. So that is more water. So that's a lot of water for just 2 eggs. So more water, more electricity. More electricity, more spondoolies. More spondoolies, more monies. From the Money Factory. We all know who the Money Factory is. Right, let's have a feel of my egg. Because I'm fucking starving. Fucking hell. Right, that's 5 minutes. Oh, come on, it's just started to go now, for fuck's sake. So really you want to put them in there and walk away for 10 minutes. Rather than just stand here with a camera pointing down a fucking saucepan. Just make sure you come back after 10 minutes, otherwise you come back, all the water's gone, you got a fucking big black fucking ring in there, melted fucking plastic, and that would make the old fucking happy. We're going to give it one more fucking minute from now, and I'm eating them, I don't care. Yes, I think I got a kidney infection, because feels like I've been kicked by a fucking horse, and I don't know any horses. But this is a quick video just telling everybody we are live tonight. If you want to come on live, 8 PM UK, we're in the UK a slot, and we get people from all around coming on and having a conversation, discussion. Another minute, yeah? Right, that's a minute. Shut the fucking thing off. Don't tip it out this time. Well, that's definitely white now, isn't it? Yeah, that feels like an egg now. Right, that's definitely shut off, yeah. Shut over there now. Grab your doodler. 2 doodlies. Tea towel. Well, they all come apart quite well. You can pop off everything, turn it inside out to clean it out. But it was like the egg all stuck to the side. It was quite an right there. Somebody's gone mad on the old. It was quite a 5-minute job just to clean up. Anyway, have to read up on them, or you'll have to go somewhere else and have a look at the reviews, because mine is crap.